Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of August, 2024, our system has ranked Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.88. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund currently rests at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is to be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $36.97 would first suggest a slowing rate of decline and might indicate the initial signs of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 12.02% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 28.86% to negative 10.34%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 20.21% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 0.625% and 58.40%. This projection corresponds to a price range of $36.05 to $57.47 after a year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust includes the headline: Strong day for Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price on Friday, rising by 5.62% to $36.28. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price gained 5.62% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, moving up from $34.35 to $36.28. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 5.17%, with a day low of $34.65 and a day high of $36.44. The price has seen volatility during this time, resulting in a 4.86% increase over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the volume rose on the last day, along with the price, signaling a positive technical trend. A total of 35 million more shares were traded than the previous day. In total, 51 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $1.85 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $41.99, while the lowest was $22.02. Currently, the price stands 13.59%, or $5.71, below the 52-week high of $41.99, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Bitcoin has experienced notable fluctuations recently, particularly following comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. His remarks regarding potential interest rate cuts led to a price increase of more than 5% on Friday, bringing Bitcoin to approximately $61,000. This optimistic movement occurs alongside increasing confidence that institutional investment in cryptocurrencies is gaining traction. Significantly, leading hedge funds have altered their portfolios, opting to sell NVIDIA stock in favor of the Ishares Bitcoin Trust, a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund that could experience considerable demand due to regulatory approvals and recent market dynamics. The first half of 2024 saw a record-breaking launch of over 1,000 new exchange-traded funds worldwide, with cryptocurrency funds emerging as a leading segment. Major financial institutions, including Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, have made substantial investments in Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, reinforcing the legitimacy of this asset class and attracting more institutional investors. Additionally, the recent halving event is anticipated to decrease selling pressure from miners, which may further support upward price trends. In the short term, sentiment around Bitcoin is likely to remain favorable, influenced by expected actions from the Federal Reserve that will affect investor behavior. Looking ahead, as institutional adoption expands and more exchange-traded funds enter the market, Bitcoin could potentially solidify its role in the investment landscape, increasing demand and driving prices upward. Investors should remain vigilant and monitor both market developments and regulatory changes, as these elements will significantly shape the trajectory of Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The chart today reveals mostly positive signals. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, offering a favorable outlook for the stock. However, the ETF also presents a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During potential downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels around $34.26 and $35.04. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and thus far it has increased by 19%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 26 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 15 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 36 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $33.77 and $32.20. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level because if this is breached, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this instance, Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support just below today's level at $33.77. If this is compromised, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $32.20 and $30.48. This exchange-traded fund experiences average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the fund moved $1.79 between its high and low, or 5.17%. For the past week, the fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.56%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $38.34. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust faces its first support level at $33.77. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $34.78, reflecting a decline of 4.14%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good investment? While the ETF is currently in a declining trend, several short-term indicators suggest potential positivity. We believe that the current level could present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the ETF to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our analysis for this ETF from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 26th of August, we anticipate that the Ishares Bitcoin Trust will open lower by 49 cents, starting at $35.79. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.